In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Wecasa payment problem by updating your payment details. This process will ensure that your transactions go through smoothly without any interruptions. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website at www.wecasa.co.uk. Once the page loads, look for the option to log into your custom area. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage, labeled as Login. After clicking on Login, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Provide your email address and password in the respective fields. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your credentials are correct and try again. Once you successfully log in, you will be directed to your customer dashboard. Here, locate the section for payment details. This may be labeled as payment methods or billing information. Click on this section to proceed. In the payment details section, you will have the option to update your current payment information. Look for a button or link that says Add New Card or Update Payment Method. Click on this to begin entering your new bank card information. Fill in the required fields with your new card details, including the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Ensure that all information entered is accurate to avoid any errors. After entering the details, confirm the changes by clicking the Save or Update button. Once your payment information is updated, the system will automatically retry the payment that failed previously. This retry process may take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your new details. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the update was successful. If you continue to experience payment issues, verify that your internet connection is stable and that there are no restrictions from your bank regarding online transactions. Additionally, ensure that there are sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.